right now we saw that this survey is able to reach out to 4,000 plus, between 4,000 to 5,000 industries. But we know our numbers or the registered industries are in several lakhs. So how we can expand the scope of this survey to more and more organizations also? How we can capture the R&D investments of all these large number of institutions. Then how we can capture the data from the informal sectors or the industries which are investing or which are working in the informal sector, and more dynamic, particularly the startups, because we understand in last 10 years our startup population has increased almost from 600 to now 1,70,000 or something like that, and many of them have attained the level of the unicorns also. Fine. So how we can capture? So far this survey has not been successfully able to capture the data from the startups or the entities whose establishment is based on the research and development only. So this is one area where we can, how we can improve. Then also we are expecting who could help us as a collaborating partner to complete this survey or help us in completing this survey and bringing out the actual figures or capture the data from the industries and timely. Okay. And lastly, I will touch upon what could be the different sources of secondary data, because wherever we stop or our limitations is there to collect primary data, we are dependent on the secondary data to validate. One is validating the primary data we have received, and also filling the gaps also, particularly the estimations through extrapolations and all these things we use. And there could be several other things. I would stop here with these broad points, but definitely the discussion could touch upon any other factor which is related to or relevant for this National S&T survey. I'll stop here and I'll invite my colleague Mr. Arya, who can touch upon a brief demo of demonstrating how smooth or how easy it is to submit the responses if you have the data, consolidated information for all these figures readily available with you. I'll stop here. Thank you so much.